Hello everyone, welcome to Blissful Bites by Surbhi. I am Surbhi and my mantra is happiness is homemade. So today I am going to share my first video with all of you. Hope you will learn something better. In this video, I am just going to show you how can you bake in a convection microwave. See, there are three types of microwave. One is solo, in which you can cook your food, reheat it along with defrost something. Another one is grill microwave. As the name says, you can grill also along with cooking and reheating. And the third one is convection microwave. In convection microwave, you can cook your food, you can reheat it, you can defrost, you can grill, and you can bake. Yes. For baking, you need a convection microwave. How will you recognize that your microwave has a convection option? See, if we look into the panel, we will see that here is an option of convection. Your convection microwave may have only CONV written. Okay, so this is the convection mode. For baking, we will use this option. Okay. But before baking something, we just need to preheat our oven. But as you can see, my microwave convection doesn't have the preheat option. Then what I do? I just press the convection button and now it will start showing the temperature. I will again press it till it reaches to the temperature at which I just want to preheat it. Suppose I want to preheat at 180 degree for 10 minutes, then I will set it to the 180 degree and then I will press the minute button. So for 10 minutes I want to preheat my oven at 180 degree and then I will start the button. So now as you can see, my oven has started preheating. When the preheating will be done, you will hear a beep sound. That means your oven is ready to bake. But some of you may have the option of preheating. Then what will you do? You just need to press the preheat button again and again till it reaches to the desired temperature. And then you will just press the start button and your oven will start get preheating. When the preheating gets done, what will you do next? We will just put our cake tin or a bread tin in our convection microwave. We will put it into the microwave and then we will just close the door and then we will again press the convection button till it reaches to the temperature what recipe calls. Suppose a recipe calls for 180 degree. So we will just press it to the 180 degree and then we will set the time. And suppose a recipe calls for 180 degree for 30 minutes. So we will set it to the 180 degree for 30 minutes and then we will press the start button and our baking will be started. Okay. When your baking will be done, you will just hear the beep sound. But what will you do if whatever you are baking is not done yet? Then you will just put your tin again in the microwave and you will again press the convection button to the temperature and then you will set the minute for 5 to 6 minutes and then you will bake your thing again. So now when our baking is done, how will you recognize what utensils we can use in a convection mode? We can use any kind of metal in convection mode. silicone and glass, which is microwave safe. Okay, so these type of utensils we can use in our convection microwave, but only on convection mode. So guys, that's it for today. Hope I'm able to clear all your doubts about baking in a convection microwave. In my further videos, you will see how can you bake garlic bread, buns, cookies, etc. in convection microwave. Okay, then see you in my next video, which will be garlic bread. Okay, so bye for now. Stay home, stay safe. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get all the notification whenever I upload a new video. And please share as much as you can. So bye for now. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.